Whoa! Hello! For you Earthlings just joining me, I'm Sunny Eclipse, bringing you the sunny side of entertainment from Unork City on the planet Zork. Up here with me today is the galaxy-famous, amazing Astro Organ. And the incredible but invisible vocal talent of my backup singers, the Space Angels. You know, after performing at weddings and nightclubs all over the galaxy, it's really great to be back here at Cosmic Rays Starlight Cafe. I really love it here on Earth. It's one of my all-time favorite planets. Hello, all you Earthlings. My name is Sunny Eclipse.
It's sunny, yes, it's sunny.
So listen to me, people. I got music at my fingertips. I perform on all the planets and some rock and rollin' rocket ships. So hello, all you Earthlings. The name is Sunny Eclipse.
It's sunny, yes, his name is sunny. He's funny, and his name is sunny.
Now how about this organ and its crazy outer space tone? This amazing Astro organ has a crazy mind of its own. Sometimes I play the music, sometimes it plays it all alone. Take it, Astro! Play, Astro, play, take it away. So our boss, Mr. Cosmic Ray, give us our play today. Hey, hey, hey! Attention all Earthlings, this is Sunny Eclipse. Snap your little fingers and shake those shapely hips. Be sure to put a smile on your tiny little Earthling lips. Attention all Earthlings, this is Sunny Eclipse. Play, Astro, play, take it away. So our boss, Mr. Cosmic Ray, give us our pay today. Hey, how about a raise?
Great idea.
Hey, 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 hey. Attention all Earthlings, this is Sunny Eclipse.
His name is sunny.
Come on, snap your little fingers and shake those shapely hips. It's sure to put a smile on your tiny little Earthling lips. Attention all Earthlings, this is Sunny Eclipse.
It's sunny, yes, his name is sunny.
Attention all Earthlings, this is Sunny Eclipse.
He's funny, and his name is sunny.
Take me to your leader, this is Sunny Eclipse.
We're all here now.
Thank you very much. Hey, guess what kind of bugs they have up there in the moon? Give up? Lunar ticks! Hey, I'm on a roll now. You know, I'd still be up there performing on the moon, but I heard it was going broke. It was down to its last quarter.